All right, we are now going to set up our phone. So I'm going to go down to settings under phone integration. It's going to give you two options. It's going to ask you if you want to use Lead Connector or Twilio. I recommend using Lead Connector because this is native to high level, and you could use Twilio, but I found that it's pretty difficult to set up everything because you'll have to create a Twilio account and then you have to bring over like some of the configurations from Twilio. It's just quite a mess. So I usually just stick with Lead Connector. Okay. So once you opt in to Lead Connector, you are pretty much good to go from there. And every new sub account that is being created, it's also going to use Lead Connector. So make sure this is enabled as well. All right, so when you're done setting this up, we're now going to purchase a phone number and help you get that phone number set up. So we're going to come over to one of the sub accounts, and then we're going to go to settings under phone numbers. We're going to purchase a phone number. So you can see here that I already have a phone number. And when you're ready to purchase a phone number, you just click add number, add phone number, and then it's going to do a search for the different numbers that are available. I usually like using the local number, but you can also do toll free. It's really up to you. You can also search for numbers that are in a specific area code. So I like 202 because that's where Washington, D.C. is, and that's where my business is located. So I do a search. Oh, you want to make sure that it's going to be the first part of the number. And these are all the Washington, D.C. phone numbers that I could purchase. Okay. Now, this is the next important thing. We have to get A2P compliant. This is basically a compliance thing within the United States where all numbers have to be approved if you want to send text messages. So the account doesn't have the A2P compliance, then you're not going to be able to send text messages. You will still be able to make phone calls, but you can't send text messages. So to get the approval for the A2P registration, we're going to come to Trust Center, and then we're just going to go through the process of filling in your business information. So just go through these steps. I also have a guide here that you can refer to. Make sure that all of the information is correct, or else they will reject it and you'll have to resubmit it again. Okay. So you'll have to make sure to do it for the brand as well as the campaign. Okay. So just go through the steps. It's pretty straightforward. Once you got those two things approved, then you'll be able to start sending out SMS texts.